Hello, everybody. This is Val.
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. I have some carrots, mushrooms, white potatoes, red potatoes, onion, garlic, and a Boston butt roast. I don't have any fresh bell peppers, so I pulled out the peppers and onions, and we're going to put all of this goodness into a pot with some luscious seasoning. When it comes to season to your taste what fits your diet. Seasoning makes all the difference.
To 500.
Many sunglasses may.
And I grab a food and just give them like that.
Drunk to notice her beefy posse. Blondie's jealous boyfriend.
Now and season it every layer. I got potatoes on top with all the other vegetables and carrots and all of that good stuff. If you heard a TV program in the background, that's most daring if you heard a voice other than my own. But you guys put this roast in the oven for about 2 to 3 hours. I would say 3 hours at about 375 to 400. Don't forget to put your top on it when you put it in the oven. It's been 3 hours and I'm finna check it. Ooh, now that's what we got there. Look at that. There's your roast underneath. It looked like it was a lot to begin with. Well, what I'm gonna do, let me put the knife through that and check that. It's still a little tough on the inside, unless it hit the bone. Yeah, that's a big bone right there. That's all that is. Okay, you people, I'm gonna take this out and then let y'all see it on a plate, a platter. I've taken the roast out, and I'm going to show it to you on the side here. And there's our beautiful roast here. And if we move this to the side, then we have those veggies right there. We have those out there. Just want to pass the vegetables, and somebody want vegetables. And this one right here is just presentation with some vegetables with it, and then slice up the roast. Almost, sweetie. Showing the people what it looks like. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I'll talk to all you beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.